Today we're going to be talking all about the full moon that's coming up on Saturday, May 18th. And this full moon is going to be the moon in Scorpio. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And hello, if you're new, make sure that you subscribe before you leave and click the little bell. That way you never miss out on another full moon or new moon video again. I do one of these every single month now on my channel. You guys seem to love the last one, and so I'm going to do another one this month. So the upcoming full moon is going to be this Saturday, May 18th. It's also known as the flower moon, and it is the full moon in Scorpio. So we're going to get into 5 things that you should know about this full moon. Okay, so before we get started, I want to tell you guys that I do rituals for myself all the time to upkeep my energy, to make sure that I'm attracting good, positive things into my life, and to make sure that I'm releasing the things that I don't need in my life. I'm constantly doing rituals, burning candles and incense, just to make sure that my energy and the energy of my loved ones, my work, my mind, my body, everything is just going good. So what I wanted to do is open up these rituals to you guys, to my subscribers, because I know that a lot of the herbs I use, a lot of the crystals I use, and a lot of the oils I use are not so easy to come across. They're expensive sometimes, and it can add up. And so I know a lot of my subscribers can't get their hands on it, or maybe they can't, have those things around their family. I don't know what the case may be, but I wanted to open this up to all of those subscribers that want to be a part of the ritual with me. So I will do the ritual just as I normally do for myself, but I will also be adding your name to it, and whatever the ritual entails. Like if I need to prepare a candle for it, I'll prepare one for myself, and then I will prepare one for whoever orders, and then do the ritual and send you the candle. So every single month it's going to be different. Right now I've been doing a ton of them. So I had 2 already, and this full moon I'm going to be doing another one. So this full moon is going to be releasing all the bullshit that does not belong in your life, releasing everything that doesn't serve you, releasing things that don't make you happy, releasing things that are in your bad interest, releasing things that lower your energy. Everything that doesn't serve you needs to go. That is the energy of this ritual that I'm going to be doing on Saturday. So if you do purchase your spot, which I will leave a link down below, you can purchase your spot. It's only going to be $11.11. So what I'm going to do is prepare a black candle. This is what I do for myself. I'm going to prepare this candle with crystals, oils, and herbs to get rid of things that don't belong in our life anymore, to purge negative energy, negative thoughts, just negative behaviors, negative things, just basically just to get rid of everything negative from our life. So I'm going to prepare that. I'm going to let it charge under the energy of the full moon, and I'm going to let it charge with crystals that correspond with it, crystals that connect with the ether, so that everything, all of the energies are just working together to infuse this candle. And then afterwards I will send you your candle, so you can burn it wherever you want to. So if you guys are interested in that ritual with me, then go ahead and purchase your spot, and I will leave the link down below. But anyways, let's get into the full moon. So here are 5 things that you need to know about this upcoming full moon in Scorpio. Number 1, if you're in a situation, or you have been in a situation that's just been dragging, taking too long, you're not finding closure, it's not ending, like just a situation that just, you want it to just stop, you want a closure, you want the situation to just end, and a decision to be made, whatever it is, it's a situation that has been dragging. That is going to come to closure during this full moon period. And here's why. This full moon is really going to allow you to gain clarity and guidance. And it's going to allow you to find ways to get closure from the situation. And not even that, but it might even bring the closure itself. So this situation might even come to a closure by itself. And another reason that this is so profound during this time is because this is a time of letting things go, letting just bullshit go. And this dragging situation is not serving you in your life. So that's another reason that this full moon just wants to bring all of that kind of things in your life to a close, because it wants you to move forward. This is called a flower full moon. So it wants you to move forward. It wants you to bloom. It wants your beauty to shine. And so in order for us to do that, we have to release the weeds and the ugliness and the dry leaves, and just everything that doesn't allow us to grow, we need to get rid of it. And that's a huge reason that I'm doing these black full moon candles on this full moon, because black is a color that absorbs negativity. Black is a color that can get rid of negativity. And also the crystals that are going to be in here are really powerful black obsidian crystals that are going to be very helpful in getting rid of the negative energy. And after you burn the candle down, you can actually keep the black obsidian crystals that are going to be in here. The second thing that you should know about this upcoming full moon is that your true feelings are going to come out. But you're going to truly understand how you really feel about this without any sugarcoating. It's a time that you're going to be extremely truthful with yourself and to yourself about anything, anyone. It might even be that you have been in denial about something or someone or situation or career or decision, whatever. There may be something that you've been in denial about, that you've turned a blind eye to, that you kind of brush under the rug. But during this time, those things are going to come up in a way where you're going to be strong enough to weed out the things you don't need, the people you don't need, but strong enough also to keep what you do need and keep what you want to keep. The third thing that you should know about this full moon is because of this realization, because of this truth, this inner truth that you are going to be receiving, it's going to be a time for you that's very important to let go of all the things that don't serve your purpose anymore, that don't make you happy anymore. You may find yourself clearing things out of your life, clearing people out of your life, clearing emotions out of your life, just clearing maybe even your house, just clearing. This is that time right now. You may even find that you want to take a new path in life, that you want a new career path, you want a new path in love. You might even find that you have a new perspective and new perception on a situation, on a person, on a job, whatever it is. You're thinking about it, or you're going to think about it in a new light, almost like you're coming back to this situation as a different person, a different mindset, different perspective, and that's going to allow you to get that closure you need to get, to release the things you need to release, because then you're going to be aware of what it is that you're going to need to release. Now this kind of also pertains to all of you guys who put on this happy face, this smiley face when you're not truly happy inside. During this full moon period, you might find yourself just being like, why should I put on this face? Why am I putting on this fake smile? Why am I putting on this fake happy face? Like, it's not fair to me. Like, you're just gonna question that, and you're just gonna be so angry that why would you even allow yourself to do that? Why not express what needs to be expressed? Why not bring to the surface the things that are bothering you? Because you deserve to. You really deserve to have those things heal and release those things. And that may be an energy that surrounds you too, is you're just gonna be like, no, that's not fair. Why the hell should I put on a fake face? Like, if I'm not happy, I'm gonna let it be known, and I'm gonna figure out why, and I'm gonna move forward in a way that's going to make me happy, you know? Why keep going on that path that is not making me happy? You're gonna have all these thoughts and questions. That's gonna be a huge energy for a lot of you, which comes to number 4. The fourth thing that you should know about this full moon in Scorpio is a lot of the feelings that you've been suppressing are going to rise up. Scorpio reveals things. It lifts the veil. It lifts the walls. Like, it lets you see the truth of what's going on. It lets you see things that you need to see. It allows you to really see, like, through the bullshit. It allows you to just see truth. The things, the people, the emotions, even the materialistic things you've been keeping inside of you that don't help you anymore, that are just taking up space in your heart, your mind, your spirit, your energy. These things are you're going to finally, like, it's gonna click, and you're just gonna be like, holy shit, like, why am I holding on to this? Why am I still holding on to this? It's kind of gonna be like that kind of epiphany that happens. Is like, why am I holding on to these things? Why am I holding on to this person? Why the hell am I holding on to this emotion? A lot of you guys, then I do tarot readings, so a lot of my clients even feel like right now they're just being ripped apart from the inside. Like, it just feels like somebody's just taking your heart and just ripping it, and just everything inside you, they're just taking it and ripping it, like, just, it's chaos. And the reason for this is because of the purging that's going on. It's because, like, all the stuff in the murky deep water that you kind of just, like, allowed to drown and have the dirt pile up on it, and you're trying to build a life over this foundation that has all this, you know, crappy shit underneath. That's what the universe is trying to say, is that if you're trying to make something beautiful bloom, you gotta clear out the dirt first. All the things, the people, the situations, the emotions, the past traumas that need healing are going to get healed so that you can release and move on. This full moon in Scorpio is going to help you dive in deeper and really explore your deep-rooted emotions that are creating walls and blocks. It's also going to help you understand your deep-rooted emotions much better, and these are the good emotions and the dark emotions. But don't get scared, because this is a very, very beautiful thing. Once you can stare at your dark emotions in the face and understand them, it's such a huge, powerful thing for you. Like, you gain mastery, you gain power over your life and your energy and your mind. And the fifth thing that you should know about this full moon is that it's a time where your root chakra is going to be very sensitive. So your root chakra entails all of your genitals. So it could be your penis, vagina, your butt, your butthole. Like, that's the area that's going to be a little bit more sensitive. So pay a little bit more attention there, take care of it more. Red is the color for the root chakra. So red is a color that you could even wear more. Red candles are great. Red crystals are great. Burning red incense, red wine, red tea. Like, red is a really good color around this full moon time. So those are 5 things that you should know about this upcoming full moon that is coming this Saturday, May 18th. And remember, if you guys want to reserve your spot for this cleansing ritual that we're gonna do, it's cleansing, protection, banishing all the things that don't belong in our life anymore. If you guys want to reserve your spot, I will leave the link down below. It's only $11.11. I wanted to make this affordable for you guys. I wanted to make this fun and easy and very beautiful, meaningful, and very powerful for you guys. So I want to include you guys with my own rituals. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.